Okay, we're looking at a 2013 Flagstaff Classic Superlight 8528. This is incredible. I've never seen paint this good on a used RV. Triple slides. Each slide has the awning over the top of it. Rubber's perfect. Wow, just absolutely spectacular. It's got the fancy windows. That's that new style window look. You got two slides on this side. You also have the power awning over the top of this slide. Damn. Nice. Outside kitchen, outside refrigerator. Not refrigerator. Oh, this has the diamond package too. Wow. 8528 IKWS is the thing. So you have two awnings out here. Wait. Yeah, an awning. Wow. An awning off of the slide. An awning on top of the slide. An awning for the main area. An awning over the top of that slide, and an awning on the top of the other slide. Jeez. Decals are perfect. Beautiful, beautiful coach. Wow.